What is ZQuiet? ZQuiet is a mandibular advancement device that is designed to help reduce snoring by positioning the jaw slightly forward. It is an oral appliance that is worn during sleep and is available without a prescription. How does ZQuiet work? The device works by repositioning the lower jaw forward, which helps to open up the airway and reduce the vibrations that cause snoring. This is achieved by placing the device in the mouth, which then holds the lower jaw in a slightly forward position throughout the night. Features and benefits of ZQuiet. Easy to use. The device is simple to use and can be easily inserted into the mouth before sleep. Comfortable. ZQuiet is designed to be comfortable to wear and is made from a soft, flexible material that adapts to the shape of the mouth. Adjustable. The device has two different settings, allowing the user to adjust the amount of forward jaw position to their comfort level. Affordable. Compared to other snoring devices, ZQuiet is relatively affordable. Clinically proven. The device has been clinically proven to help reduce snoring. How to use ZQuiet. 1. The device comes with two different mouthpieces, each with a different level of advancement. Start with the less advanced mouthpiece and work your way up to the more advanced one if needed. 2. Insert the device into the mouth before going to sleep, making sure that the upper and lower teeth fit comfortably into the mouthpiece. 3. Adjust the device as necessary using the two different settings until you find the most comfortable and effective position. Pros and cons of ZQuiet. Pros. Clinically proven to help reduce snoring. Affordable compared to other snoring devices. Comfortable and easy to use. Cons. Can cause discomfort or jaw pain for some users. May take some time to get used to wearing the device during sleep. ZQuiet price and where to buy. ZQuiet is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 60-night money-back guarantee.